Hello ladies and gentlemen, back with a new video of the driver's POV. Today we have the E63S Amg. This is a 2019. You can find this vehicle at Weeks Certified Pre-Owned in Danbury, Connecticut. As you can see, all black, the silver wheels, the red brake calipers. See the exhaust pipes, AMG, E63. Now we got the keys for them. Got the trunk. Very deep trunk. Very spacious. Now this car is longer than the C300 and your C-Class, because this is an E, it's more comfortable. Now for the back seats, we have the dark wood trim with the Burmeister sound system. Very spacious back seats. You also get a little sunroof for the back and a rear shade. For the climate control, we have the heated option for both sides. As you can see, and for the front, you see that we have the gray wooden trim with the Burmeister sound system. We also have the seat controls. Have the seat. Very bolstered seats, very comfortable. Side. Now if we turn on the car, we get the ambient lighting. This will get another sunroof. Leather seats with ambient lighting. We have AMG logo with a clock. Here we have all the settings for the climate control. And we have two digital displays. One is the speedometer and the other is for navigation and radio. Now we can control everything with the vehicle. Do this right here. We have the switch for the dynamic and the driving options. And on this side we have the exhaust and the volume. This is the steering wheel. You do get the AMG logo right there. And the ambient lighting runs through the whole car, and it can be changed to your preferable color. As you can see, V8 bi-turbo. And AMG is all over this vehicle. We do have the glove compartment. It comes with the Mercedes Asher. We do get the lighting options. On the back, the back seats. And we also got another compartment in the middle. We do get cup holders and also a phone holder with a USB. Now for the steering wheel, we have aluminum paddle shifters on both sides. And we basically have aluminum for all the dials and toggles in this vehicle on both sides. Turn it off. You can see E63. Now, if you'd like to find this vehicle, you can find it at We've Certified Pre-Owned in Danbury, Connecticut. We have Audis, Volkswagens, Mercedes, Porsche. Thank you for watching.